Hey guys, today we're making a cold potato salad with chickpeas and yogurt. If you're looking to switch up your regular potato salad for something new, try this recipe. We don't use any mayonnaise here, we use yogurt, so it's a lot healthier. It also has a crispy crunchy factor by adding some chopped onions and crispy potato noodle snack on top. If you don't have that, you can add potato sticks, that works as well. So let's have a look at how to make this cold potato salad with chickpeas and yogurt. You need 3/4 of a cup of dry chickpeas that has been soaked 8 hours or overnight. If you're not using dried chickpeas, you can also use 1 can of chickpeas. So if you're using the dry chickpeas, you want to soak them overnight and then cover them with about 1 or 2 inches of water and add enough salt and pressure cook them for 10 minutes. They should be nice and tender. Meanwhile, I've already boiled some potatoes, 3 potatoes here. We're going to dice them. When the chickpeas have been cooked, check for tenderness. If you feel that they've been overcooked, you can add them to some cool water to stop the cooking process immediately. Now we're going to make our yogurt dressing. I have 1 cup of thick yogurt here. This is really thick and sour yogurt. Indian set yogurt used for these type of chaat recipes are usually more sour. If you don't have this type of yogurt, you can also use a lesser amount of sour cream instead. To the yogurt, we're going to add 1/4 cup of milk, and we're going to whisk this really well. To this dressing, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of any mild chili powder, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now to a larger bowl, we're going to add our cooked and drained chickpeas as well as our diced potatoes. To this, we're going to add 1 red onion that's been finely chopped and 2 to 3 tablespoons of green chilies. Now the green chilies have been seeded and diced. I removed the seeds to reduce the heat. Add salt to taste to the dressing and keep the yogurt dressing as well as the cooked potato and chickpeas mixture chilled in the refrigerator till it's time to serve. When it's time to serve, mix everything together. Make sure you have enough salt because that's really important. And lastly, we're going to add some chopped fresh cilantro, that's coriander leaves, and we need toasted cumin powder. Add this to your preference. I like to add a fair amount. Mix this well and serve chilled. Just before serving, you want to add more toasted cumin powder as well as the mild chili powder on top. More cilantro or coriander. And top with the crispy potato snack called Aloo Bhujia. If you don't have this, you can use potato sticks and that works as well. Serve this salad as a side to your meal or just as a snack on its own. We hope you enjoy the quick recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!